Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Cyrus. I just wanted to make a video really quick and talk to you about a massive problem that you have. That problem is nobody knows who you are. You have dreams, you have desires of being a well known person, being famous, starting your business or your brand online. And the big problem is that humans, especially in the United States, we are very shallow. If people aren't already liking your stuff, and if you're not already looking like a superstar online, people will not give you the chance that you deserve. With our software, FanFinder Pro, it legitimately gets you real followers and people contacting you within minutes. And I'm going to show you how over a couple days you can grow your account with real people, real followers. Okay, so this account you're seeing here, some people have allowed us access to their account for us to show you the growth and just to let other people know that it is 1000% real. So you can see this client here. They were working with us. They've been working with us since April 7th. Okay, and you can see March, you can see the engagement and activity on their accounts since then. They're getting like no traffic. Then all of a sudden they start working with us April 7th and boom, right? You can see up here their audience has grown over 40%. Their engagement has grown over 1200%, and the activity on their account has grown over 2000%. And I'm going to show you here on my phone that I can log into this person's account and you can see messages and messages and messages of people reaching out from the day. And you can see this is real people, like, oh, this is fire, I want to work with you. You can go in DMs here and you can see a lot of messages from people all around the world. And this is because of this FanFinder Pro software. We can also show you here on the back end the actual day by day growth of this account. So you can reach and you can see the date. It's been about 19 days this person has been working with us, and you can see from the very first day, and then you can see the day by day growth. Okay, so you want to look from bottom up: 55 people a day, 14, 38, 83, 25. It's going up. Some days it goes down, but you're going to see the overall growth here. It's hundreds of people um, over the last, what is that, 19 days have started to follow this person because of the FanFinder Pro software. And this is 100% real targeted people, as you can see here. Okay, I'm gonna go into another person's account here. You know, he's been working with us uh, for a little bit longer. I'm gonna say he's been working with us for 2 months now, and I want to also show you his statistics because we legitimately started from a brand new account. He had 0 followers, 0 people engaging with him. He was a 100% brand new artist. So I'm going to go ahead and break these statistics back here in this FanFinder Pro software back to February 1st. And then I'm going to hit apply. And then I would like to show you the metrics over that time frame. So you can see from the date that we started working with him, which is around February 2016, 26th, that he's gone up 40,000%, 80,000% growth. Okay? This is just massive numbers. This is massive numbers. All right. And here, logging into his account, he posted this. Hey, I just hit 1,000 followers. I'm proud, you know. And you can see that we legitimately, so February, March, April, right? In 2 months, we've gotten this person to 1,000 real followers that are interacting with his account, that are making it happen. You have a brand, you have stuff that you want to grow, you want people to get in contact with you. This FanFinder Pro software does all of the magic and the work for you. You just need to post awesome, engaging content and watch the interaction happen. Okay? There is comments, likes, follows, unfollows, anything that you need to do to grow your account. Let's make it happen. The price of FanFinder Pro is so affordable that if you don't decide to do this, you're just really a crazy person. And we do have a trial that is only 1 penny. 1 penny to try it out. So get started. Sign up today. Click the link below this video and let's make it happen. We'll talk to you soon.